Did you guys know your iPhone can turn any photo into a sticker without any apps? Let me show you all the ways to make stickers on iPhone, plus some tricks most users don't know. If you use iMessage, WhatsApp, or Instagram, this video is for you. By the end, you will know every possible way to create, edit, delete, and manage stickers on iPhone. Let's start with the easiest and fastest method. Open the Photos app, choose a photo with a clear object or person. Now tap and hold on the object. Wait for a second, then release your finger. You'll see a menu. Tap Add Sticker. That's it. Your sticker is now saved automatically to your sticker collection. No editing, no extra steps. Super quick. Now let's do it directly from Messages. Open Messages and start a new chat or open any conversation. Tap the plus icon next to the typing bar, then tap Stickers. Here you'll see all your stickers. Tap the plus button. Choose a photo from your library. Your iPhone will automatically detect the object and extract it. Tap Add Sticker. Done. The sticker is now saved and ready to use anytime. Now, this method is powerful and most people don't know about it. Open the Files app. Open a photo or image. Now tap and hold on the object. Wait for a second, then release your finger. You'll see a menu. Tap Add Sticker. Your iPhone creates a new version of the image background removed. Now let's move to the second one here. This one's even quicker. In the Files app, tap and hold on the image. Now tap Quick Actions without opening the photo or image, then select Remove Background. Boom, the sticker version is created instantly. Now tap Share and Save to Photos. Once it's in Photos, you can go back to Messages, Stickers, and add sticker and add it to your sticker keyboard. Or once it's been saved as a sticker in the Files app, you can share it right there if you don't want to save it with the other stickers. Now, once your sticker is saved, just tap it and send it like any emoji. Here is where it gets fun. Now tap and hold on any sticker. Choose Add Effect. You can select Original, Outline, Comic, Puffy, and Shiny. Pick the one you like and it updates instantly. You can also organize them. Tap and hold a sticker, then drag it left or right. Put your favorite stickers first. Now this part confuses a lot of people, so pay attention. If you delete a sticker from Recents, it does not delete it completely. Now go to Stickers, tap and hold the sticker. Tap Delete. Now it's gone for good. Stickers work everywhere. iMessage, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, once they are saved. Now you know all the ways to make stickers on iPhone from Photos, Messages, and even the Files app. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and tell me in the comments which method was new to you. I'll see you in the next one.